Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Veronica, and in today's video we will be cleaning out this refrigerator. Look, this refrigerator is long overdue for a good detailed cleaning. I will be getting in here and getting it done, so come along with me while we get this refrigerator cleaned. Okay, first we're going to start out with throwing everything away. I have my trash can here, and I'm just going to go through the refrigerator, get all of these bottles and these empty containers and stuff that's just was put back in the refrigerator, and we're going to sort everything out. I'm throwing away everything that needs to be thrown away, and everything that needs to be washed will be washed. If you notice, I am going through everything, looking at it and making sure it is still some good, y'all. I have fruit in here that needs to be thrown away, and I also have fruit that I just purchased. So I'm just going through and I'm throwing away all of the old stuff and putting everything on the countertop that I will be placing back in the refrigerator. Y'all, my kids love to get stuff and drink out of it, and they never finish it, so they put it back in the refrigerator, and yeah, so it just stays in there. They never clean anything, so I have to get it done. So comment down below, let me know if y'all have children that will open up a can of soda and drink out of it and put it back in the refrigerator. Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, you guys, so before I start cleaning the icebox out, let me just show you guys what I'm using. I have Scrub and Bubbles, a bathroom cleaner. Yes, I'm gonna spray my refrigerator down with this bathroom cleaner. And also I have this Mr. Clean, the fresh Unstoppables kind. I absolutely love this kind, y'all. I clean my bathroom with this. I'm mopping this. I do a whole lot with this, y'all, because I absolutely love the smell of this. So this is what I'm going to be cleaning the refrigerator with. So let's go ahead and start the cleaning process. So right here, y'all, I just have me a empty bottle where I'm just going to pour some of the solution in a bottle. That way it will be easier for me to just spray the refrigerator out. Okay, so next I'm just going to go in and remove all of the trays and give them a good thorough wash. all nice and clean. Now it's time for me to restock and organize the refrigerator. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to go ahead and add everything back into the refrigerator and restock on some of the refreshments that I picked up from Walmart. You've reached the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned to the end. Don't forget to leave me a like, leave me a comment, and subscribe to the channel, you guys. It will help me out a lot. Until next time, bye for now.